Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a weekend review of some of the leading groups. This is for the big Twitter feed, and the VIPs will get an analysis for the top 25 to 30 groups. But let's go in here and just know that leading groups produce leading stocks. It's a quantifiable fact. And we're going to take it from the top. Right down here, group number 1, mining, gold, and silver. I'd like to show you this. I don't really care too much about 6 months ago, but 3 months ago it was 123. Last week it was 3. This week it's 1. It's moved up in rank. Here are the top stocks in the group. You just might want to take a note of that. I'll leave it up for a second. Again, this is group number 1. Take a screenshot of it if you want to. Here's group number 2. Finance, mortgage services. Look what this did Friday. The volume really wasn't very heavy, but it lifted through some tops, leading stocks in the groups. That probably is indicative that one of these stocks broke out. And again, it's moved up nicely in rank. Was 4, now it's 2. Here's group rank 3. It's moved up nicely in rank. Retail, mail order, direct. Leading stocks in the group. Now, I want to show you a great trick. One of the best things you can do is look at the relative strength column and focus on stocks that have a higher relative strength. Notice this. Relative strength of 99. Relative strength of 96. Boom, down to 43 really quick. Ugh. What's it tell you? These are the 2 leaders. Ignore the other ones. You don't need to look at them. Here's group rank 4 for you. It's moved up nicely in rank. Insurance brokers. Had a good day Friday. Leading stocks in the group. Just a nice trend. We'll see if any of these stocks come up on our screens. Let's hit group rank 5. Computer software enterprise. This dropped from 1 to 5. Still, though, in the top 10 groups. Why did it drop? Other groups advanced more than it did for the week. Here's the leading stocks in this group. It's important to know these. We'll keep on going. Here's group rank 6. Moved up nice. Energy, solar. Look at this. Look at that moving up. Your leading stocks in the group. And again, notice the relative strength rank on these. You got some power there. I'll give you group rank 7. Semiconductors, fabulous. Hanging in there, was 6, now it's 7, but it's moved up nice in rank. Here's the leading stocks. I'll give you one more. Computer integrated systems. Moved up nicely in rank. 27, 25, 8. And here's the leading stocks in the group. What I do for the VIPs is an analysis of like the top 25, 28 groups. But I want to show you this. Again, this is a fact that leading groups produce leading stocks. I'll show you this right here. First paragraph, that's fine, but read the last paragraph. Really cuts to the chase. That's why we look at leading groups. I hope that helps you. If you all are having a great weekend, and we'll be doing some more work for you, and I thank you.